Ever felt overwhelmed by project management tools? A million features, complex interfaces, and then the payment plan? ClickUp, for all its glory, can bring on a similar feeling. Fear not, fellow productivity warriors. Today, we're slaying the ClickUp payment dragon and demystifying the whole process. So, you've dived into ClickUp. Maybe you're a freelancer juggling projects, a student wrangling assignments, or a team leader wrangling, well, a team. The free version is fantastic, but you've hit a wall. You need more storage, unlimited members, or those automation features that make you drool. Upgrading to a paid plan is the answer, but how do you navigate the options and avoid payment pandemonium? Firstly, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. ClickUp offers a very generous free plan. You get a ton of features, tasks, lists, boards, mind maps, the works. It's perfect for personal use or small teams just starting out. But as your needs grow, so will your desire for ClickUp's full potential. Now onto the paid plans. ClickUp offers a tiered system, with each level unlocking more features and capabilities. Here's a breakdown of the main contenders. Free forever. This is your starting point, offering unlimited members and guests, perfect for collaborating with external folks. 100 megabytes storage per workspace, which is actually a decent amount, and core features like docs, chat, and goals. Unlimited plan, starting at $7 per user/month, billed annually. This plan removes storage limitations and throws in 1,000 automations per month to streamline your workflow. You also gain advanced reporting for project insights. Business plan. Need more guest seats to collaborate with external partners? The business plan, starting at $12 per user/month, billed annually. Bumps that limit up and add some security features like two-factor authentication. Business Plus plan. This plan caters to larger teams with multiple sub-teams. Starting at $19 per user/month, billed annually. It allows for custom permissions to manage access control more granularly. You also get priority support, which can be a lifesaver when things get tricky. Enterprise plan. Running a massive organization with complex project structures? The Enterprise plan offers complete customization options, including branding ClickUp to match your company aesthetic. Additionally, you get advanced security features and unlimited custom roles for ultimate control. Pricing for this plan is available upon request. Choosing the right plan. Feeling a little dizzy from all those options? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here's a quick guide to selecting the perfect ClickUp payment plan for your needs. Solopreneur or student? Free forever is your best friend. Small team, up to 10 people. The unlimited plan provides a solid balance of features and affordability. Growing team, 10 plus people, with external collaborators. Business plan offers the extra guest seats and security features you need. Large teams with multiple sub-teams. Business Plus plan provides the granular control for streamlined workflow management. Enterprise-level organization. Contact ClickUp for a custom enterprise plan. Beyond the basics, ClickUp also offers some cool add-on features, like ClickUp Assist, a virtual assistant for task management, and ClickUp AI, powered by artificial intelligence to help you prioritize tasks and predict workload. These add-ons come with additional costs, so be sure to factor those in when budgeting for your ClickUp experience. Payment process. Upgrading your ClickUp workspace to a paid plan is a breeze. Head over to your workspace settings and navigate to the billing page. There you'll see all the available plans and pricing details. Choose your plan, add your preferred payment method, credit card or debit card, and voila! You're ready to unlock the full power of ClickUp. Remember, ClickUp offers both monthly and annual billing options. Annual billing usually comes with a discount, so if you're sure ClickUp is your long-term project management partner, consider going that route to save some cash. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy conquering with ClickUp.